Hello. Thank you guys for tuning in. Allah baraka for joining in today. Okay, gana kaja kuma sorojang. Ngalan ko ngai fitiro be kering ngara moja be fitri salon kunyalela. But we'll find time to at least engage each other a little bit. Have some discussions regarding Bankola al halo Benjamin Wadankono, which is very, very serious. Especially in the last couple of days, some of the developments men finted on cool men do not lenkinamato. Cold do kaja. Nimbekala walti. Nga lahidota kana fitrikola kana kacha nimbari wale nyo hakilo nyo hakilo yurwadi ko mene be caring bankoka okay busy ka ke bake but let me spare some time and come back come what ka kenyami nga nyoso hakilo nga kaja abemu bankola quality banku doku abemu quality and bari membe keren jang hani Gambia dingo be alone many be Gambia bantala be bankola al halo understand ya alone membe keren kul mandara takuka and niya kuje kule asabu so wo nasol nin kol meneka du ñokono aka bedele kana kol franfansi mole understand mbe kodon rek la na kebal bi jang misan jundu kay sa jabi kunta sister Fatu, it's good to see you guys. Pamodu so dabo kunanko kay dabo kunanko, it's good to have you. Yeah, thank you so much, Sister Jarai. See you out there. It's been a minute. Okay, Mr. Sala, thank you for joining in. I appreciate it. Mr. Jaita, it's good to have you guys back. Thank you so much. Allah baraka. So I'll ask a small favor. Nal bemwekan clearly, without any hindrance or voice. Give me a little hands up. So I can know if I have to raise my voice more, I can do that. So I would like a small, hands up, like a thumbs up. Exactly. The sitting one will come. We'll get to that. Okay. We'll look at the last part of the discussion thing. I want to at least touch on two key points here that has to do with social security. Thank you, Mr. Loud and Clear. Thank you, Ben. I appreciate it. Very good. Yeah. So lafta kaja start la wala fulo kukuma bal melanko abembe affecting bankola haji melanko kukuma bal mbola fulo kaja la fulo ngana labang kienna bayar sono dani sidin janya lo kuma kalanda sifa yalo wol first wol dolu bulaje follow after ina wol jabe ha bari meati na narjam bi wato be siane bulu nyawnya kuma ko let me come nga time o create akuma da back because ñu watin ko no nga kule safo bi kibar la fintita kibar la fintita bi Alin so 1 second. Sorry. Okay. I just had an interruption, but yeah, come B kule finjita kibaroto. Menketa menketa social security. Sorry, I'm been text kanjang. Kunta in another life, whatever somebody's trying to text. I don't know why. But exactly. So menketa kuti menam kay kijo fara bake. Then amanda kijo fara dam mala bari kule menam ko ngajele fana bina. Modol ya dandala, modol ya je bring iba ko nyum kurukuru kan ko ya bi nyina wulula. Menketa na bankola pensiono do kulal mi be gambe do kula be karo kariya ka fendene laje ka fole social security and housing corporation finance corporation abe bundala mi an ko man sekunda kirikiri pour do kula mi be banko kan ni be do kula ila do ko ila foninke wato jamano e ka domandinke ila ni ejo wato do kula e ka domandin ko bosi ka fayje pour mo be ya amuta fanje ni le keba auto sita sai sufol ma no kotanke musinani ko dotan ke ma ko yala ka fule pensiono ala ko rasi na keba do bi hansa bi wal lokata banjul kata pensionota do si bona fojara min ben do kala no PWD ano fanke sifalde sai wal do alhamdulillah sai be sangita woron fen sina pensionota masukuna ka domani ndela puri fanana keba wato si fan suturano ajale kana tara ngaybo dato ha ñinam pensiono la nafati so bajala ko ibe keba dula ikana tara ibe mol dani la ibe mol ile ngay be la banta pour ila masakunda fanansi i support no ye bulule kan kaje ko fanansi fanno so masakunda dokula doko nsafo dokula be gambe ko jang karo kari e ka fenne bala joto e ka feñi so security budu mobe ka de wala nga mol soto je men wol marta walla ka koronyin ka tete ka jibe ka joko akana bula bulkono ay tar yirwa kan ay lafa kala invest la dolto ni e kuje men ko business nende me sakeno je ay fendo wulu iso fanan keno man sekunda luwa dilale o right dilale pour so fanan keno pour koronyo yirwa ko do kana tinya mo la keba dula isina nyin ko do sike ka dila ke fan nafa ñenam social security nafat bari nada kuje ko wala bi membe kere mbila keta bari mbe commencer la kunu domanding kanyum mansa jawol la miranya ka ken mande moliye ni social security banko bela e ka nyaadi mobe ka domanding ka fuda na susuo pour nin kebata ngam fanna fala man sal ka sodon kono jang men ke nyaalo ko do kan ko do ka siala hay social security men ka tre bulu e ka même manage aka siaba ke maje gambe do kula be abe ka ko do dun ji yalo on ta ko di chakante bari man sal nga men so janka bo ya jamena kana itol instead of ka nyin yirwande ka mol sembentu ya nyin ko do nyi jana yirwa itol nyaka tel lor nyin ko do kan ne camera abe to leje wala abe la kabilo leje ni mutol la personal ko do let in hakata loro nyum kodo kan so security kan e ka timbale ya jaya kan e ka kodo donto je e ka kuwol taje melan ko ita jola man so kona e fon tala e be dépensol kelala dépenser man ko te fon wulu no la timbale ya kamma ka social security ka attack ka kodo bodi jamen ka kukutate bari man sal melan ko e kuwol man tar ko rekirin e nganil man tar gambe din wole e man balafa gambe din wole man balafa gambe foirelo wala nyakal lo nyum kodo kan instead of ka lafa itol ka pare ka nakari kabiri ya jamano nyala korosi commission of inquiry jana commission ko indi jam ko yaya nane dalasi kodo 1 billion killing wala munem billion te wala 1 million kilo ya sinya wili killing wala billion te ya jamme wolta donto kaya fan donto wala jana bulu ha donto so kereto bulu ya jamme mon ko ya jamme la asiya so kereto donto no monala ya jamme ko dota ya rafan ya kay kanillay dada wala commissioner wona rafinde wodo commissioner inquiry ngalan ko say gambe jama nyinata wala le ñiko commissioner jang mo jama def fana fen jama fono lay je ha bari do dol bu kanyino offensive alla commissioner a fo janne ko ya jamme ay julota no so security anata ko dolta kata kanillay do ko foire la ko dota taxpayer moli do ko ke foy sufol fata fo be sangi taworo no fen karo kare ka kudo men domo ite tata yo kudo ta deddi ni mere iko ko tay ko kanin laylo wala alo mansa a food a meta nyawnya kadi lay fele bi hani sise bon wala fi setata hada bodo foti la je ya jami ko do ta beti nyaaje a hana la ronya ma je atete la je a barinte la je a dinte la je ala mo kendete la je a beke da fui ala ya ko do ta fundi a kensende sayin kanilla woto mo nyumul katama e kataji ngaje mula bulo ko sila kanilla be nyaari kanilla be so yala wo iko jibe ka bala fe abela ko moyeta ayela ko dota force to bonde pos ila poso kono atara la bon lola ite kana ka bulo ko say fa yala bon nyaara ha ya jamme yo wala kem to lañu so gere lañ ko dola ñu so gere kilo i ñakata lo ñing kana wato iñabe lo rakan dron e beñum ko do mona ñami ko de melan ko aka shela ha ko banko be ka men do ko mo be ka do mon ninke jele ite do ko la je ba jola salaire la ala ko be so security so ñim man salman ko hakilo ma yirwa itul ka ñame itul ka men ko do mu feran wolti kata diede ñame biri ya ñame bode de say mina topiko ko no men me na nada ñim topiko la bi kantum nga jala bi standard newspaper ya safe ko man sakunda ni social security ibe at loggerheads comme ibe nsafe be nyobori wala be nyobori la munela julule tata nu social security julumendi sayen jowato sita dia mo sita man sakunda ni social security be nyo sabaka so nsafa la menkedo ñimu kulel mi anko bala fa war baake non anyanta mo be silala adama man sakunda be sir menkan abe menke kan gameno la bala fa war dum mo be la nyanta wulla yeñin ko ñi because in pension ko do MPP ko la pension ko do be jele doim ko la pension ko do be jele UDP ko la pension ko do be jele a mo mo rening as a jolao a maninga a fula a sarakule a Nigerian mo mo be do ko la jang ila ko do be jele wora ñim pensiono ñim mam molong amam patilong amam silong amam mola tradla amam janen jara janen sikuna janen banjulde hadama do gambe bela ko do be wora ñimmu mo bela kumbo date ñinte politique kuti ñim memra ya barola taro jang politique ko ha be judi bela kala kan e be fengala ta pour kana karakana si ñin sifal kan ñine faali say mbela ko kupuj say amma atatu la moy sira janne 2022 ma fon wala mol wulta businessman do ka fay Tarik Musa melan ko ya jamme jamano ay masibo boy janne commissioner a ban yalla diplôme de passeport Busa bule fo Busa bule Tarik nara fan dada ko tanke a fan dunu system ko tanke fo say kata kan dolla masakunda bulo tormondon kata GTSC men kada na boss bundade ka fay ko ilafta ka bosolo dila masakunda ya safero ke August of 2022 e safara ka so security ka fay ko bari alla boss company bi Gambia transport service corporation men ka bossol marabi abebe wobe so security ko so security wala tamati so social security wadi man sakunda si luwadi la yela kodo ke kodo to pour ka kodo wulu bara person la kodo as jana la fa ni businessman ko ko mari bake e la kodo ke je example social security also they are also telephone social security telephone na Gambia Petroleum mai ka essence ko ngamara dame ngana essence o mara dame membe mandi dari ha so security fana ye siyasa to jele ha so fana la kodo bi jele na ndol tax jolal man sakuna dokula la kodo abo fana ndole ya fahamle so ika investment kala pour kodo kana tinya kodo e lafa o beratal sai ni Gambia Transport Union Gambia Transport Corporation abe tollo onda so security abe tollo onda which is fine but inatele na ko hay lafa bosol pour que upgrade e ko lafa Gambia Transport Corporation ke la cool secondly e ko be bosol lafa la même da fo boss keme mo sakunda sa fere ke August of 2022 e ko lafa ko bosol le dila nte mun na company de Gambia Transport Corporation nte le alon ngana operation ka nyame ninna CEO ninna boss ninna kolbe ndo ngana ngal kana business ka nyame nto le alon msolata boss jelela munduma na solata la nyame la faka bur damin la faka na bur damin mun tele la dokote sai man sekunda mun haji sarwala man sekunda ra si ko la faka GPTC la GTS la boss ko bole la fala lela mo jande Tarik Musa wala ba koma muna wala interest je bosol ka kudi ba muta yenyin nyinin approach menketa munti Gambia Transport Corporation iko la faka la operate e fama meme la parent company te wala social security bi yo sa fe electoral iko la faka la bosol ko control de man sola bosol of course wala yalla do ko la ito la ka menke ni solta bosol ba fala len imanjere fon atul etul masakunda etul remind fal alla fa bosol no atul ñing GTS solata bosol la ka bosol la fa baseni banjul ning Dakar ni bisa ba fala la solata bosol la bos woro la bos tam what the problem sorry bari ma ñininka imal sosje imal ñininka imal opinion ñininka al wulta rek alko ha la fa bosol di yalla ñininka ya man sola bosla social security wotumo management beje wala ko yon tol hani de man sola bosla ha man sola bosla at this time man sakunda na to ko danke e saferoke ibe insisting pour ka boso de nyilla ko e man sola la bari natul man sakunda hanu watul lafta ka boso sang simen keno social security ndo man sola la de banna lafta si julo di Allah si julo di Allah ale boso sang julo nying mbadi la 9.8 million ngaba 9.8 million euros euro million konon ton injil mala fo mo jele dollars. Let me see how much is that in dollars. Where's my calculator? Anyway, let me see if I can put my calculator here. Finder, no, launch pad, calculator, okay. 9.8 million, 9,800,000, 9,800,000, okay, 9,800,000 euros. Times maybe euro at the time was 65 or 70, just 70 at the time. Okay, you're looking at about 6 billion 860 million. No, 686. Yeah, 686 million. It's almost a billion, half of or $750 million. Ajal yolata iko na lafta siwo diala loan kadiala julola ajal sai man sakuna na da julota so julo diala pour aller ta bosso sa sai ñina bi kibaro na la findu ko sai e julota man sakuna julota pour que bosso sa Tarik Musa wala e bula ñun ko meatina ay forcé ay bulo tormono fo ñun julota malon bari ngalon ko ab kala mendi wala mu jeng kickbackol ni 100 boss sang boss keme another kind of boss tower wala 70 bosses ni ota yalo ko do ni o pasar kickbackol bira ten anin ten budum ngaye beoji je inara kunyani forcé kandu me nyin kala e me bulala GTS ko man men nyanda ka burin GTS ko man solala ali al fambula boss sankono kana so security man nay fambono bulokono so security na de ko sa julma di yalla safero bonna vice president officer kono ko ila ftajin kala la say ko say ala nga ke julo do say na de julo di la say julo jowato sita say mbaro nyin kala nyin julo nyin duma la julo mu nyinti so security ko itolta bosana GTS ko e man solo bosala masakunda ko itolbe bosala by force ko say julo fele alata e julo di la at 6% per annum 6% rate yolo di la per annum sang menyanto jola abita million keme anin tan sabanin fula $132 million wala nyanda ka jo every year sang for sanji lulu julo lam million keme anin tan saba nin fula wala nyanda ka jo sang pour julo nye jo masakunda lata so security mata GTS mo sebo fosodo pour ko julu sifa fo mata nyew nyen nga bibi lala wallahi a sembotela wole fal lonne yela operation wala stand yalan ko a sembotela e manke yoti moti kede fambula ko hono e manyala bulala men kono e site famuta sa government nyanda ka julo jo government ko sa electro safe bi wala safera bi standard newspaper ko government e safera ko so su gere de ko alta GTS sita akoy ko Allah nyi safera pour ka julo kan ndrobulo akoy letero nyi ala direct al letero nyi samba Gambia Transport Corporation social security dingo which means ka fo social security te be julo denna e telephone be julo jala because Gambia Transport Corporation will they don't have the capacity kudo tebulu ka 9.8 million euro jo. I'm gonna tell you that. More for like I said, Gambia Transport Corporation cannot pay that kind of money. If I'm social security, sa jono, but social security will jilo di masakundala. Saya masakunda ko walala ko direct to Gambia Transport Corporation. Pro nyine masi bobu kerimbi. Julo tada personal la kodo almost $1 billion dollars atata julo kono tarik musa nyelo kodolta ye boso sang boso mi ko man solala asila foto neblo ñu boso be ci bor damin fang tarik musa nyelo kodota menyande la kodo sore la wolbe asoro je yela kodol be domo ki bakol domata kulus busun dol domata kulus soro kera kan na teran naka sa kudel gita mo be taral hajola duwol janjanta pudum foarewol ning taxpayer pension paru mo menan ko yitara banju je sonda la pension la bakani dala siwle kilen si wo sita bi bulu ken sen sayen julo fele julo mala du malta masakunda ko ta jola ko ya samba GTS ko rete bulu seben jo GTS pharma company wala social security company wala GTS pharmati wala fanan wala julo di e julo men di famuto jono la Gambia bi nyina be kere Adama Barrow masakunda bi mbenyin tembe dal ya jamme menke afana nara simfala nga simfalta ka nyalo nyin kodo kan ka tiya ka sanyimi ka fero landi ka mol samanan business manol ki dundu system kono kan do sande fenna man sola menna ka boso jurman kan malon boso tara dami be nyen karole ko boso le ngalon ko birin boso nara de abe manda GTS de doldi ta GTS la doldi ta malo nyaadi la Gambia college doldi ta malo mento pinta ha yo kele wala fu ngaytande ko mansa kundala nyi boso sande jiti ka nyi GTS la nyi boso be sang abe be kala ta design bare ngalon ko doldi dolal doltara malon fu police la malon dol ngaje dol Gambia college do samba do ga you know di ambake je ye doldi dolal fo nata ye men kude je malon motala na nyi boso be nda dame fo jani adam bodo bodo lu mena wala balon bare bi hade nyen ka rek mala fole mo be kemira ko wala mo be kemira palaso na do wala mo do diamule so ifan dahane ha bari boso natal sain dol GTS ko rete bulu senyi na mi no jo menna hani wolta lay murele kamata bi ko na mi no juro bondi ita bondi nola ha abuli nola akuri tebul so Tarik Musa me anon ko ya jamme Masakunda e masi bo mon boy jang commission la be nyaajal ha wole sita ay mol kunam anala tadal hajola ay na Masakunda kunamu ay yamant ha buru ani mine ko do mo to lalo so beñine problème ko no bi taxpayer mene ke pensional jo budum wol fanan sayin budum wol fanan bulken son lota budum Masakunda sina fu mole e beñin jola nyami dum ala ba jola kandu ñi GTS kilo ni ko be jigir wala ngol almanda wala deport taji fendi je semi tan wala ko wol beñin jono la sa di balmen ko do jola okala in the first place for dum ala fu ko ñine kon do solata bosola ye mo ñinen ka ko e boso ko e mal sola bosla safeta they wrote to you safeta ko en on the lundi mal fo safeta ke when did they write again August they wrote in I think August month August month in September they replied iko boss tembo am safari na standard we don't need bosses so ni mo vote back off tela hajol bay tela hajinde ete montara gamp jana burikan you are not running GTSC so email finances long email sembolong ni tolo me fal long iko man solala ibuleta ikamani insist ene temo ko duma fo Tarik Musa e muneketa fo alala jindi bang manana nyen kenni kilo ya jami Masakunda tiaro ke de commission on ronga menjo na kodo la nga million jo jang commission to inquiry adam baro ni mbesura bulo kono ñu adam ete fon ñete mo doti Tarik Musa findire kan nan ite yanda bundala busala yo kay ala bay state house ali nyin kana sungolo jang ko de state house na diplomatic passeport nga busa bulo sa ngamara ngam ko ya be murunda mala ba sa bala pol mo kilo ya jame jamano ay tinyari ba bojang ya jame amari samal dende banko betinya commissioner ya beta di molla kotanke na kotanke ay kunami kotanke dara si Dubai sa en jota sita $132 million nyanda ka jo memba jola malo ibe nyopuntu badan karre ba jola duma ba jola so yajen kanyum fo nyin problème be kerenten sa nyin kodo yalo nyin itafla ko ha MPP kodo lenyint UDP kodente MPP kodente GPP kodente doy kodente nyin mu gambe nyin pensional do kana jang parmo do kana jang wallahi ka bonan jara dalasi kemese do ka pensional wala ka kila karo imagine keba ko do ite do ko kabring jawara jamano e do ko fe retire sangi tan gelbe system ko no ye 65 years old retired sa itela pensional omon na ke $800 $900 so nyaaje social security ngi ke jam pour comme nga fa nyami yela investment ko jam jana gam petroleum bi jela yela percent share mutali je they have a big share there yo nim gam petroleum nguluta yo profit volta ye pump back into social security bajala sa pensional ka high ye ko do ta ko denke pensional ko do yata yadu lesse kan ni sol mare yandala ye gambela nisi comme ngani factory sol janka ni so ni suboni fo dada ye million li paje ha o be ko do li pala den profit ko fana sa bayal say e GTS fele wal fana be fen sama kan den ñu ko do la ka fuño kan so sécurité sembo soto tax pensional fana sa nyaaje be sila e be bayal say pensional men ka wili keme say soto wala wili kilin keme fula wili kilin keme saba ajel afana sa ni wili lulu seno naje na bonan jara na sonta kan am fama jana la pensional ta ni na la sonta ndelo fa ka passo de lebe sela menna kan ñu pension ko do tay dinda sre ko na ma se ko no idunde mani bodo kilin safula mani bodo manol kan mani bodo o wili flayde yo e fan kan dule den jana den ñen tiene jana yo dabar so ñi be sela mo le passo de essayer para kata ramuna la tata la pensional ka ma combo ya ndara pension ka mo enen combo enen fentina o manke wonde kuti subara sai akamune kos sai ke balbe be jikiri dingol la ni ke bara buri bu itela ngay bo be dingol le bulo kono ajila e dingol fana wol fana ko monta e sonere bulu e dingol be nyim dogo la wol fana ba karab kan jang e be dogo la ko Masakunda wala nyim company do to jana salaire man sia bu jaajal bu so nyinde Masakunda be nyine bore kan nyaaje nga so security lo be nyine bore kan mulla kebaru le kanata da ngay bot lato bu ko bina lañ jeko la lañ diumen kan deng dingo be dogo la Masakunda dingo be dogo la atolo ni nim presso siaro kan fana be kala sungolde kantun itela dépense na la fon na be ki jara wala kiyan wala badibu say mo be lato ko reja dana la dimbal donc ata fana na cheko fana na every month e ka jomena fana ka domen ko bosi jele ke social security pour na fana be kebala dawda ba say nin kanyum ko do wato nka batara do motan nka teke sa nyimi ite infama nyolta yo nyimi say ndo fana na jamano yo fana nyimi say ndo fana be kebala dawda ñin masako da dogo kam jere ngol fana na 60 years be sila dawda rek kapak ajale isi balan karita e bayla mugasi ka fa ala retirement sita bari na contract kol diam ate retire no la ha ko ñu lu mene retire ma si boket e ngay bolata band ha IGP be IGP Mamoudou Funke janna e banna afanketa retirement sita amanson ya dia ya extension dia la yanko bada bo jare retirement sita ya extend malo ngadi CDS atameta retirement age level nga extend be mo extend la don zare civil service ko na benin keba ko be fasaranje ite bono la je ma hanya ka boje bare ni retata lu mel wala itala ngay boka commence barata sangi tannani e be dogal system ko sangi tanse be system ko sangi moni woro sangi moni woro wala be system ko sangi time o sita ibe silani bakari taya so nyimbe silame nyo blem ha mo buka so retala civil servant ibe retala bitame pension duma tarik busa pension be duma la sita ya jamme o pension tale a fan don to $1 billion la kanin layal wala albe bulu ko silay ba fale kanin la la nyima so deme kanin lay mu ngi nice kanin lay comme Europe waaw Europe bo mu non wo Europe ha wala mal fañu la pension ko do yo ko jede yalla ñun dunya ko di ti keri melan ko maji ko do lem gamero ñu dol fa xam la fente keri melan ko ka jinan sandole ala ya junjum mo kan hani ye ko do ko jang abrad lado so fe ya jang abrad lado num fenne ka saw there's no magic money magic man soto Masakunda buka ko do dada ko magic haje ye ko do ke dawda lon ko fenne bije wala abrad lado wala e fenne ko bosi e manyana ko bosi la ya fenta bulu jame kunda clan family fente bulu adunu fang kanilay barakunda family fente bulu num mankama kunda say ini mansionol lam kanilay fan keda mansionol de mankama kunda keda mansionol de be bulu ko so ha yo kodol amaka magic tide ha meo baro mansakunda mankama kunda mansionol lon ka bulu ko say me kanilay lon ka bulu ko say nka bulu ko sina masi bole damante manim faham yalla ñing mo be ñim faham kay peño fo mo sa be dal kam peño la bari ñing kuma sifal imam pare ñin lay moy imam pare ñin lay futa momo lana ya jame jamana kata ay information oni ño kala mutando ni hakil yirwa a kele a mexo mo kana diamu mo kana femfo ay mo be bouté ay mo be bay banta ay mo be exile pour mo kana diam kandu ñumol ñaayelata wolu wala be kanin lay banen bari balako mfala nani foni kebal jara kebal kien kebal wala pensiono ya be pundu mata kono kanilay be tiki takala baro ño fana e fana ni lañi tarik musa malo yin ko do dum bindo kan dum ñu ko do ñi ngala nga be manta abe manta atunu fa jana ñim bosol kuna so ko do ndamentole abe ñi kijba ko lam kanyo kudela ha price be inflate jana imi bula mene kamane kije so banko ka tinyaten ate fola moko ate mo karla ni mi amara nyum political do ha nga baro kongne wala ha UDP ala ketan ni mo GDP nga UDP kolti penga yama nyum konnante ande ni mobile affecta nyina ndam mala mol bu kata pensiono kamma nin karo fata kiyan kul katale gunjun kul kata ni pensiono kamale basen kul kata ni pensiono kamale yuara ran kul kata kamale nyamina sidin janye lo wuru wara ko nje be kata ni pensiono kamale bekara ñing dala si keme se personal keme wili killing personal you know wallahi mbiya jël al be wal everybody membe jibelo janga be mo len men ka personal ta ali call e ka jël sota ali call wallahi wol killing je men personal sa asinno in dignity amanda ni roke mo ñana kala so al fata mo la pension ko do ma ya barang baro wallahi billahi ñinte watila ama yaaje ma wati kanila fele bi taraje bi xani wulo itable la yalaje ko do beli paraje so so kete la ko do lam foire la ko do pension la ko do ba taje di bi just 5 years ago abeti nyata hakuma mbete ni be mo la fon mala do ko foire la fon fata wala pension la ko do alal da bondo kono na la remember ning so so kete kino manjang bire kelo wole ni manjang kamaja kan bire manjang sama na Muhammad manjang Muhammad manjang ni yola ko jang atas atata siring bora alaji bora manjang di wala Banjul alfa kende ba ay din kendo wulu biri akeje akate atanyala mota nyin kolota la personal ko do aka atiye kere nyimi adiara nyame ikelo wulundi manjang kamara nyen wulda fo kamara la malo afla ko ha ndala fanko on maka ticket lal maka itika mun maka ticket personal ko do e kam mun maka yibita maka te ta do ko la ni ala ma dila ala may forcer makita kula ala ma fala ko personal ko do ta ala kam maka ticket o sala ye manjan sama jang wuro ko mata ha nasajul salo nim fenga maka kete staff welfare staff ni staff ngapat ite yede sandi ko te ko ning keba faser wala ko do man ko ite ke fansa maka wala ni bada maka fanan alka ko do bonda ka e ko do fanan dila poita ni so sang prier e ko ta buñaro e kam ne buña ite ka titar wala ite o bega sain karo e fa ke bayana e banan fo jara yaajo dala si keme sai ka sai o me ya dohu ite ma fen dohu je yere bala kantaro na mal manjan na rajam pour ka nyene bo ye manjan da e kelo wulu na kam ya kele ni adama keta mo kendo de ko aka men fa dara keta misil ma hakama da kela mo kendo de men selata mol hakola ita nyanda manjam protect la ye manjam muta bulfulo la ya sansan yimme ama ya kay hanide nyinda bulaja bari amman ita the evidence be itandi mantra ajaba adama nenka mantra ka jafikam but evidence me tan ko manke mo kendete mo kendo ka kende ala ke mo kendo ni mo kendo la ka do hogi ay la moy a tawta e manjanta man fenke ya bondije ye mo samana menketa e a fon la bari noti ka fa salum mala kan wo dental fo bari dinna man fo benki dum wala bang bara la family la o samana biro samana budu wata mala budum ton sol ning duol ning fo bejita la rapaj ko say budum ha ka do mala bari manjante je mo kende je dinkende je say fenke rene joina baka Banjul boñi rene joina MPP ngoni ani man salum manja ani other people abanda say there's no oversight buru nga bira dira nyami nare ye bulo shooting ning julu jawala ya lantul kan men dal almost 670 something million dollars ya bulankante say juwaro sita man sakunda ko ta jola e ko ya akimindo social security jana Gambia Transport Corporation GTSC ko ditol bulu e men jono ndu ya fu ene kabirin ade beginen ko man sola boss la alkanan sandri boss la boss keme boss tawro mbakela buneti ye forcé boss samala sayen juwara sita man sakunda fele ko ta jola e ko GTSC ya jo GTSC ko tebul bu ngaji be sayen nyimbe la mana damin duma lay bonola anen nyim duma lay problème soto la na mo fana jibe nyimbe mu adama la record la de nyaaje nyimbe sirinje be niyo la kan e malla fi ka ji la do afala tatam tenenten be sir ni sekli sifa la kan be bitri ni ku sifa la kan bari foarol tenin jeno la fonsi ni ndol tanga fintindiye nga ko wodi yol ning diamolti mol ya understand e be sila ni nala nyaje ka sila ko saya ni kay man saya bo ite ko do bebi ni man saya kono sangi tang hanu we ko ta bulala e be sir ko le kan ndu ning amanken to la ko riti ika mo balal kule men ko memmi fontate natre entela ko dota jam ma si ara balal no banyinta mota nyim balal no la nimi kabra ha yudi bin ko ha ya long ha naka indian swage ala ma ate sonna jila naka silani sila kuti ci bugos man samma sa sira jang after adam baro yin kusival balali ite fum kafirolti I don't care who you are. No wallahi mo libe kala. Hani mo UDP la faale de. Adu you don't care. Ñi nara jang iko be ñim kusi be si la kan ni be kala la. Fu mu UDP don fu mu jidi ci ala be men kala en la ala lo. Bare man so man adama ko mo jang iko be si la en fansi fal kan. Ini mo be kala la. Bos ñun tay itante mfatande fatande. Ha. Gambia belta mundi afula amman nga jola akiyang abadibu a GDC a MPRC a mo bella ko do be ñon I balante bala imam balawo you are part of this. So mo dañu dol balano la fonsi ndol jaba kesse woto atata dawda nga serendi même martala mais min labaj kayto men sanda mais atina bendo sande la bosola mansola bosola ali o senendroma ha mun sembe betela iko be boso sana company ko mansola bosola iko hani bay fosa la bos kemesa itela no wadi Tarik Musa o contrat ko fanan ya tenda min dola kande ma mo ya tenda ja jitare ko Tarik Musa ba supplier single source e mayele ko mo be apply company men sa supply ya supply dambe company bi jele mo do bi je men la fa ni bo sa apply pari mo beke ujme siya dada ya tabi fa mota ya la Tarik Musa bloko no afane men di ko tabi momolo Gambia wala nan ko bi kacha fonsina nyim men kono kanyin safeton tan tinkeno fonsina nga kacha nga nyo hakilo blandi ka joko nyin kelombe keren ka adama la nyim masakunda ka dang ji hadolam no nyanda kelala bari nyake ebe foire lo nya fitaka me foire talo ne fampe sai modo sibiye benen rayna de mu judi pele asamre asimira jawode wala wallahi na long why ibe nyin try kan kanyum ko dang nyim masakunda sifa ka dang abe inshallah nyato aba fole thank you. Yes. You know, so ni ba kan ibe nyin kelo kan kana ku jibe hani moye nenje affaire thank you because atala kalam de balalo de na lan ko why iba nyin ko kele kan atafo binala aba fole ko alhamdulillah jarama. So ni obada je saying ku fula la bijel ngam la fe mala after ngana da political domandi next one wala keda na mega bank aliya moy ni wadu ko afindira ko jado wadu ko sorry naka jaro nyimi very nice jara fresh mo garino ko moyo ma snack so kumo fana fitere baro kono men kada mega bank kibaro fitere ko julo do dinu company la jang ka fme Ecotra foninke dole ba koma men kada Amadou Sanity Amadou atemu Adama Barrow la bareni wonti pourka falia non ning Amadou fo be jibero la na mam professeur ni ngaje na harama al benatema na be dawda ay respect ko so dañu baake ay buña so dañu mbo fo lay sédaya jam Adama bareni wolam bañu na ben dawda aka buña na baake ha I can appreciate that and ma wish any ill on him ha o Sénégal but ñu banko la ko wonata this is beyond him ñu warta atetele ñu warta ndol betile so mega bank la story comme nga so security commence ñami ko ya jambe jamano molla tariko mbije man sel men ka fe ni so security la nga commence ko ya jambe mega bank fana mba commence la wolto prada understand mo jama ya long monatna mega bank ay mol akonyin akamol concern monatna ñiko eco bank mo defam fala wala ñiko GT bank na hajati je bar monana ñi specific bank akati nan ko diam konante yande ño baydonde anim fanan kame ko mi nga ño jalos ko mi man ka la jalos ta wonde de bar praya understand ñing banko ñaje ka fa ndola la banque mo jama understand muna ne kon na banque mo do ñi nga jafane ka ñi julu ci fal di mol la julu mentara $600 million wala kemo woro ka di company la risk bala bije ndum ñaje ko rislam ko akula ketanu before ñaje mega bank bi 2014 meta fa 2014 ya jame jamano banque ñing ay bulu jamalta katanu jana bank le Oceanic Bank mala katanu mala min anara la bank Keystone Bank dawo Keystone Bank yala masibo katanu je mole julo tanu je julu jaw bal men dara kanyang dala si kodo $667 million of bad loan dala si kodo million keme woro taworo ani worawla ila julu jaw na take wolde banko bu saying nsa for faydo to banko ni it was going to collapse abe collapse kanon banko be take kanon julu jawol mole julol taji gambianol jamami gambianol ani ya la partner dol some Italians you know mo jama tolbi je ni to fala bi akijo sibo wol be la julol taji le manson ke jo taraka nyang $667 million around 2013-14 ma fon but in 2014 Central Bank naraja ko nyum banko nying ko because of the komi banko la health financial health system woni e mala fi ni banko ena fail but ay mol panic and ay mol discourage ni banko ko la ko ni banko failta mol la ko dol tinyata mol yemanta mol yer mena ko do mabe jela ko dol kasarate bulu aka mol la confidence mol la jiko wa ko la tinya in the banking sector. So Central Bank, they have an obligation. Central Bank la wajibu la kajo ko muhadama duwol mol la confidence kana tinya in the banking system. When you banking filter rek mo be sila mo be la kodo kamana nyimi Zenith Bank yela kodo bonni ja ñu fana sike fa nefen kala jana be tinya la bar ngana kodo bonni ka fele run off. When a bank run off ñu bank run off habunta aka panic la cause mo be beuri prip ha hey bana nami hana na jana eco bank nga be ko jani ba be close la kar mala mu wala fana be collapse la mala mu be collapse. So once that panic sets in aka bank la financial system ko la crumble. So Central Bank with this knowledge imam pare no pour ñu bank collapse ya jame la masakunda kono ya jame la government inata through the Central Bank inata ni bank ñing rescue man ka Keystone Bank ye $667 million membije ya wipe out so for ya liquid ya infused with liquid ya kodo keje and then brio be clear ya book sol clear inara another 300 and something million keje men asamba almost $900 million ye men keje total pour que ñu bank ñing ka kuta andi ka revive ka jul jawol men bije bad debt sol kebe clear book sokono then yo julolta ye samba AMRC Access Management Recovery Corporation man sakunda la bunda menka julol kaning menka man sakunda la julol kaning wala ni solo de la fenateng wala ka kaning droke wala ka man sakunda recover yen julol be password ni $667 million keme woro million keme woro ning taworo ning woro wala ye wipe out man sakunda bejo na man sakunda ndol gambe ni wala taxpayers money amanka ya jame fala koriti amanka ndefala koriti mola korinde masakunda la kodo ngani bank rescue wala ni mega bank odo ka fay Keystone Bank in 2014. Then we took over the bank masakunda nata Central Bank e government bank nyinta so wala na kitan to la bank so na kodo nyaaje exactly ko nga exactly nyaaje mba fuka mo sama ko be nyo be bandro la mengara Eco Bank dola hajiti je mengara GT Bank na hajiti je Zenith Bank na hajiti je FIB Bank na hajiti je bari because dola ko dije mansa kundala ko donte bari ni mega bank na hajo bi jere parce que na ko dola bi je na mansa kunda ko do molota $900 million na infuse je na bank ni revive pour bank kana collapse to maintain the confidence of the public ka banko mola confidence na jikena na lana ya in the financial system na bankola na flow na banking system woni ka bambandi Central Bank yo step water 2014 na banko ni revive sai domando man banque ni bina domon doma bari ni bari central banque ta say nyawla kanne mo kana ni ku men le kuma ka mol kana ka julu jawolta poso yanni ngabe collapse la ku kurumbale karje mol kana ka julolta million taworo pitel hajol gambe di wol e tolbe mbul jannet dol nga dol to faja wuro sukuma gedirin jantek albe jibere sare ko naka bloko si be mo kuro yenyim banko collapse ta rasi be jibero la hansa o julol dol hansa ma julol jo e be noma dol ma jo hansa dol atebul fe ba jola men ya jamala pardo do bije something Francesco malo nyari Italian lolam aka sela da kenon wonin $1 million kema fula den wol borta from that Keystone Bank jani yake mega bank so wala ninga julu kul mun foten ndo sifal fonsi kiya forosoro demande bari kule men na keta as repeat no kotank say nyajam be diam again ndol na kudo bije 2017 mbirim baronata ay nyim bank tara aba kata kam bake central bank yakata yela mol kije yela more smart mol kije bank on to make sure bank doesn't fall back into those kind of financial indiscipline ka kodo di mo la ka julo pasa tan julo menta jono la so bank yela cool tamande yela profit be selekan banko nyin la bunya warta ko tanke men kada mega bank ndef mo jelante la bank ntenga ka 2017 nga account ele yan say ya faham so bank ni sa fo sa be healthy kan nyite mu mansa dote men hakilo yiri wata diga yegambe kanu ite nyanta mesolo la mega bank ay ke the best bank in this country ila masakunda system ol be masakunda la payment ol be masakunda la account ol be nawek nyol account ol be GRL account ol Gambia civil aviation everywhere masakunda la system ol masakunda la every prestataire a be ya be force kay albeta ali account ol jana mega bank ye mega bank forum oti ay sembo so ay bambang nyaato fon isina fon ye branch do fon wala je you open another branch of mega bank subsidiary yo ke mundi agricultural development bank Sénégal jang bank tebulu itara Sénégal wallahi ibe bara cross ibe ta ibe sokon mala rek ibe la sayno jala bank agricole Sénégal bank agricole Sénégal iba jala sokon iba jala Kaolack iba jala labete ibe wulo xol iba jala don banko be labeto agricultural bank Gambia hana killing so ni mega bank ya katanum ye ko use ye bala hoto Gambia la ite mu toyato ya Gambia di wala mu tadi e Gambia kanu wallahi ite de mira nyim banko wafila the last thing on your hair wala kanyim wafi ba amina kala banko mantra sofakan amantra bataring abi profit mekan ite nyanda bambandi lale ya fo say nawek lambang gamtel lambang afrisel gamsel lambang everything that has to do with gam na Senegal be everywhere abela banking be kala min do mega bank abela ko deta mega bank e la capital fanko nyim bajala be selela before you know mega bank enim bank la do lay bank kanja gambe do be sa fanja ko ngajo ko nyim banko do lay dara nyim banko ngatra be foire nga revive nga samana nga ke bank ifani yo bambantu ya ara fa bamandala ila cash reserve so stronda den ye branch do laye maybe 2 branches from Bariaka Mundi fango de what do you call again agricultural investment bank you understand yake agricultural investment bank ba sa Sénégal fanan tajale ni prete la faka tia naka fali keme lulu dogu isolata suola isolata hula isolata nyimfon wala kirkara angare ni folde yena banko rek ya fa nakeno hena ngala fa alina nakeno jibe jara ngani kunku karla landi ahena parita sun solata hula solata suol ni wala ani ngani sedan la fa prim yela lon soto yela tio sene yela tio wafi yenyi nako dojo bari jang sene la hani sene la killing at hayla ko ngoti lenyim banko ngo de jibel gos wal man na wala jang ni najira bankol man najira presentor makoy e man tol haji sot wal be fasu ko wala jang el tilale kay mi ala be jey tol yalo ndol man dar do makka kam fenna e man der senala ma ko kam fenna ni na reality instead of baro ni mi resifa so de Gambia 2017 da sita rek ndanga ko makal mo de kabin 2017 ada sita te man fofo ni mira kanyi banko wafi groupe jama na jang kabin 2017 kanyin sang Sénégalais na rapport ka sang alun sala nyol Macky Sall la broda nyol nala mul natale tokki so natale na sista don fo nala jang na jara sista lam we sama nan jang pour que ni banko sang mo jama nara ganan ko nata janne ya tra prim param boto mo central bank mo do labi je jaabi ñol ni bakari jamme ñol jotu mo balanta man bu ko songa wafi ajal bu ko son bara olta daba lo bay bara fansu mo sama nan sang ata fi men sa fa no yes mano hanway man give up ni bank la again mega bank mantra bataring mega bank mantra in a financial distress mega bank mantra in financial jeopardy for to a point me alango ila feke wafi ye munake mana be wafi mana yebe korontering ke wafi because ndela miro niaje ab hamere kanye banko wafi because na ni banko mu gambela bankte ndolla ko do ya sende ndolla ko do ya dada kube kubo na ba kela ani mo be sunna nyola ni banko do ko sunna nyola bare be wulanga ni ani de ñen julo sifa ñi ko be ndila ni te diala bare ñi man koy do man kewolo ina ay million kemi woro diala jana tenin ten messi wuru nga dia because bank mun talent isa bank adiara ko yate memory ni mbela bank mu ñende gambe be ciow bare na ko do na ñu lu mel na ko do jo ya be muru ma million kemi kononto 900 million ya be se ko ala fele say nala bo ku bar ñobul fine so birito na de to ñu to hakilo do daga instead of ka bank ni yirwande ka mega bank the best bank in this country ka bankola ko be la nyin bul tia sonol ning tia sawon ni fala be tru mega bank ni la agi bank la mana e fon la bank do kada ka tia sawo contrat ko ni e ka di agi bank la Mohamed Jala bank why Gambia la bank bi mega bank mana ne man tia wa fini tia sawo contrat ko wala ndonga tia sawo beke nga tio sang nga mola ko jo everything through mega bank why not nde wala kala no bare wala na only bank nyana kon tolle na kodo man sakunda kodo la lo imo ke bayte be mirala be ni wafla nya ibakan fo la mo ko congolais do lan congolais tolle e ko wala nata e banko waf ya wafi duma ba usoni akalamuta ani onko la resenyo la akalamuta jana ya ko nyum fo wuro ko mota ha loko fangara usenu jalay ko amang mangena amang abenyim tonya kan tanin dem prim param gamberon ba ndul won to mankati ha ndul mom ha men kan do fanto kala fo dem mala men ben ton notala ben to detala be doran konka ben detala ndul ko ndoka bloko sugolle ha men kan ka tonya fonye ka kul ken man ka kula nya palato ka ngolan do fote wala ngolla kajafi kay ko usene finda yin ga kay mega wang ya wafile du manya la wafi ko sinene molma bedu nyokono wuro ko mura tele ndoke da prim param ay kuba jahasita akira ku furuma banko tat sai ni banko wafi sai gambe tante e ko ya fi jele la million keme woro ndole men dundu je is almost 900 million na men dundu bank to bring ma takan from ka rescue from Keystone Bank ka ke mega bank wori nyi ba wafila awafi wala even though mu 2014 ko don bi ko do mankilinde 2014 wil keme o musa wil keme fulat ka zola dala so 2014 dala so bi dala so mankilin so nyingo sannu nying masakunda men ay bank rescue man is almost 900 million $667 $1 million worth of bad debt. Ngola clear na that infused with cash capital of about 300 million during year 2014, saying that's almost $1 billion of investment in Ngamenko Bankun. Ni ba wafila. Kana boy to wafi. Balafa gamenole. Keep banku din kendoti. Be a patriot. Profit or double. Ya have 2 billion or 1.5 billion, at least 500 million profit in the gamen ko rafele. Ngani wafile ngina na profit je. But at time and Trumusino later, at time and Tomu Yamato, at time and to stupid tele, Gamina will be sitting by Gibe Canting, Malam Mega Bank Narajami, Malam Mega Bank Soranami, at all a mirror. But because maybe Niata, maybe at Adam Barrow, bidding Mega Bank Buffalo 2014, I began by Janet, but Nim Wallahi Billah, Nimia a Kiskisi, a Malon Queen Bank for Keystone, Masakunda for a takeover. Kadumama Atella attention span for that level at that time to know what was happening with Keystone Bank and what steps were the government taking in 2014 to control, to take to rescue, to prevent Keystone Bank from collapsing and damaging the public confidence in the banking system. Mamira adama inshallah wallahi amang tra toje kan but mamira atewo kalmata at that time. So me atela jerodo ntul be bo lokono. Mala kara nyamen man fen kalmata be senete be fonyo menna. Hani. So awafita menna naga nga rescue menna na banko yin soto menna. It's almost $1 billion. Give us the $1 billion back. Hani wo fo yem boyendela because nyaaji be inflation 2014 in scientema omu war janet. So kodo nyina barako anin sa man killing or at least hanna be kala munit $1.5 billion awafi wala bari man na fi wafi for $600 million malon something like that. How insulting is that? Ya boden do blokon sa ya di congolais la sa ya bolu blokon sa butum yena julodi bari wala company la. At the time, you feel like though we cannot have any oversight over you, Central Bank has no oversight over you, but they say intolerant according. Abaran to block on the side. Say mendere say. Is it anybody la? Ella business partner Kaliru Baganyo Kirikar anybody. Until saying we have no control. Yam fund in the bank la. Ya Jamanala Kube. Ha, Udemba comment loud. Even though I'm a Sibo de Carola, Bandola Carola, it's common sense use water. Saying will be that reality palado ya be kasar imola bank ya wanter inshallah ninyi man sakunda falenta wala nan koy ko adama be siri men kan atela lo non to man dasle danga ko ha li nga domon ha ala ñi nga fenke sa ko ha be silala le wata no ka ji tatam na de dai 10 tam ke amanke alate ngamenol wala sele ka ji be jaka fi amol la mamiro gameno mo de sifate bari ntol ba folal ko ning ibota man sakunda mbesile ngani kata ha ite la technical team yo mune study ke mune de samba nyin conclusion do pour que mega man wafi yem mune je mun taman ser sifala ben mega bank la fo mega bank ite amade be collapse kanne pour que wafi yem mune ke what did you see ite mune je mega bank me alanko me ayitande ko nyande ke wafi yem mune itandi la. They don't show any sign of distress. Among debt coming like Julu Jolma. Like what exactly? Money a trigger. That was time forcing Yininka. You have to show proof. Okay, yes, Bugo Fele, you never in year 20 nangam, the accounts were this much, if a jikan and bank was struggling, you have to explain. Then you burn all the thing. You may have done bulletin, you are on board a janky for an in a idea allow 5 CGs and Gitang, Kotanke, Hana Tio Queta, Nimbefola. Caro Hanin told the jam, Modo van a fellow Bugata, Nimbijan. Before so cover her well and narrating for her, the Gila, until I had it out. In strategy called the strategy, the brother strategy prologue. I'm not going to member like how can I seal Musilla board. It's just a simple matter of I explained to you Munatina it being bank new wafila, number 1, number 2 fana, Manana Biri Pataka of Ima Funduranga wafila. By the stand. I folk okay, yes, many wafila Nimme interesta. A lot of interest show. This bank I told them what's the bank name again? Standard Charter, Biri Pataka waf, Yalam Bella Kalmata, even the American dollar bank, Angalela Bank. But when they were ready to sell it, yeah, follow publicly. They are trying to divest in Africa. It could be like investment about West Africa is not making business sense them anymore. We are not attractive. Whatever business they have, we are not basically an attractive destination anymore for banking. And they were going to sell Standard Chartered Africa, Kila Banco Africa was Gambia Banco Dumianco. I sense make Italy a Kotanke. So we all knew they were gonna be sold. Companies men left will interested in car, you're interested in full of a casang, well of a canasang, Italo. Tunya Katamatan and secret quality in Nafatala. Come to it is smart and Yawanya, more smarted, no be fentilal. A be fentilal be well as some. Saying I can be sending a cool sending a clear B, Kataiba. So ñin mana ko ha fenketan. No. Abibe Senegal. Why did you sell this bank? And then why did you sell it to that company? And then who were the competitors? O Congolais ning in duma ñu le ñu sabala kan wala. First ñu sabala ñu ko tan ñu 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 ko wili kem milon kem ora ba sana wala ñu ko kemelo kem ora talulu. Yeah, ngaji be the best price water. Fond. By more fananke. Number 1, itata fon la manate ne la fanye banko wafila. Number 2, many fanang ima bula pour mo le ñoo computer mo le ñoo sabala ba la science best price yento fondi sinya jamal ntol fanda nte sabar la wala nini masako na faleta these are one of the things be sila gamen kata yen million kemo woro men fanandi tan pour loan ka di ñin company la of course bu fana be ñin karo kala ye mena ñin ka wono ko la tara dita mine yo mena soto men me waran ko ñanta million kemo woro di la anu ko la sene ada like I said mantra ñoo ben la jang ñinde ñoo ben benti to ñaal mbolo fokan na man sakunda la interest wala be on the line na kodo wala be on the line dum fonsa senende ha ñing si se kili sifala adam be sire ñin la kan MPP ko be sire ñin la kan ñinata na be fan ni yolande kan jang pour ka ñin tan ko posinto le jang ha mam pare ka bo jang ha so ñaaje be balana wata rek ke fan niyo la ñama saka ñima saka njang ñin ku sifara sabu ha be silari ñen la so ñing faylol bi jël faylol man tan pousse place ici fan sembente ñaa fan ke mo grand mbade ibo fara sayn ñu lumé de batay masya ku dañay lu mëna jang samo be kuma dañé sindi sadre bank mo be si kaytol men du ñoko no mo be senandi meer nañu banko wafita me nañu kulbe kata be senaset ha amanga ñoo bay amanga ñoo comme like ñoo bay ku it's just simple so ka fa ko ha tan den wala nga do man karab what did so wala bi so ñaaje ko bo ko let me comment these two topics all ko ngan ko is near and dear to my heart and then bank do be ñi dañ kalmatale in the clearest terms possible man ni ka kawala wala kamyalan ko mobe sa moyno bari ñi mobe ko yorwata ñen festival ni ñi long say ñi mu na rakabe de fay na ñi kana ko ka man ni ka jana suba jana fen ka jana bolon ko non ka kirikara wala hey ilo sa bajana ndela persono na mega banko do ning fo den ndemang ku jawar malon fu bada fo ñala fo jana I don't care this is about me my pocket ndela banko jibe like mune bi jang mo ñan ko mo samata no fama be ya be kola sita as we speak today right now essentially man kidan ba ko gonda fo surprise la me mo be de rofe kabine si video essentially ka yala fo ko ngote sansa nan de bora sade ko no na ma jana ka bo suula fo Senegambia mam fenja murna ko jani na essentially mo ko yala fo nay ba ngara chamba ngara sisu ko ngola fo nay life on train kadu na ba tal de jila jat do ko si ba ya bi ko ko bi ko ba essence ma so rabbi mbar ngana si ana ma ngana si do man ni so wala fo ni life on train so lastly comme ba politico saya ngana soron politico do man para ngata na ajo saya mire jam do man ko mala ko Serigne Ndiaye be makala nan diamul aduna Serigne Ndiaye ko reya se wajan de man pare de boyo de ko yalla o ban kende boyo de ko ande ngante ka adama barol blem ha kan mo mango ya yame jamano hani fole suwo ata Serigne Ndiaye lo asola wala ko la fo wala tili woro ministère ya kementi tili woro wala ministère ala bu mo le fo jaga ala kalante ya ko fo ya fengada ana ani ya tar abe seringe ata wadama la tialon ka ala adam baro dendal bela kanela bela be ko tula Guinée wadama tialon ka adama dendal adama fana yalo tamala ko adama ateni Serigne Ndiaye ye lola muti e kay sena na da si jang asa be fiaka mol sa fado sa telam jam president sa kanyaaji be hani nañu lam ci ñol nañ UDP ngol men magala melbe MPP ngoy la ñene ci ñakara malam faga ko sama ñene ci jabe tamaga ibegal wa ko mo ne kamera mama sama ha police abe tiki taka ala wo ndango la blem so ngame ka ko ma pour UDP ko la you even got a candidate where think where G because of family ties and all kinds of nonsense. You know, you're a bit desperate, and then you wonder why. Brother Faham. You wonder why a small by-election by-election campaign, the entire basically political weapon, the entire political tool of the MPP, they are all descending in Masabe ward. If Silo Dalala, if you grade someone like Dala Kurubarsla, if you Polo Lord, if you call Kela Purka Mol Nyam. For what? For a single ward election, the whole entire MPP operators are on the ground. Because what's at stake for them? In their head, they have to convince Adama. But right now, the biggest problem with Ulbe Mengolom, Adama hanging. Adama alone remember Nyado. You say in Tata Mona Adama in Alon animal Nanyola. Okay. So they have to, people like Sirinja, because Sirinja or New Lumen Adam Kojantifis, Ola Dunia Belaband, Kandate, a Karandala, a Kundala, a Feretala, ala taftafta ala pura balu jang afoye without masukunda mantra atete kan kam mo fiamo la pick up on na mol na kodon police won fe ka fiamo la kodo so ate nyin adama tarata katale ida ta si america o ay fer bar jangwande ate ni mol sila yimbo ngata wolon jela ko ta wala fer dum eden ka ni mol sila jang ate alone because ala evidence le man roblu jang abe on record le committing what you call subversion. Moliye carte fay according to the constitution banko di wole la carte fay ite ka wuli ka fu wala carte even fay is null and void e man samen sendi at kala banko kanja where you are subverting the will of the people. That's tantamount to what you call treason. Ate luwa mentinya wala nyoke banko jamaja in America le kisama firing squad ay crime balake na tebe on record ya de usually sirin jala na mol borta nda fere kono dol jolanta dol dimo jolanta fere ko ba kono aksino keta dol fayje dol fara silo kan dol tata kan karan konko bine fara je fo refijil kete je ka domoro dila ni den wala be ko mol ma nyina wala so ate ada atela tero jangam atenen gamino lo nyonya kono jibe adama damba abisa usun wala bala lumen adama ko assalamu alaikum a ko di jang ate is finished, he knows it. Asa fa nyamani nyawnya fan dadi ni nyawnya nya class dun jana ni morna fan dun sa ka fan tikita ka police be tikita ka antul haji tawt abokala sayin do adama lo dianda bulu adama lan toray mbe kono wallahi belbita nyola ha adama be boole jam lumena ko yaakere nyami priya ko tifa fan ko tif wallahi ani arabita lu ngil walla atade sila janto la nyonya ko jiwe ja so ala nyin kalanta diamul be ndo ande buka danko so you know ñing ñaaja ñi masambe ko ñi sembo worte fi baake ka patio be jurmana masambe ka ko mo sifa be foje foka say ka desperate ka foko ala fo yudi bin ko e daha wote yalla ko say yite yalla ko wino wonte teje ka dun yite ko nyogoro kana sika fa mbiro ta sisu ko wodo say ite parata mo la ñi ne beje but why? Because now they need this masambe thing to come and show baro ka fa ko imaje mo hansa mo leftelele MPP ko alon e nyaaji be kabring presidential carte fe nada avec la malo de MPP député carte fe e fadi jan hani député kile mo so ka bu kalaji ka bonan jara fo banjul député kile ma so o malo ni mo bo 50 no e kansulo nada ñe fadi ke e la kansulo nada the same thing mo kendo be dara nakasa lamin banko area many be chenda be mol ya buti habir so the confidence is gone ala mo be kemena la kay meso do presidential o be yeman mo wili kima fula yeman da mali ndamin dol donc normalement hadama do buka ke wanyama esi rek yemo wili kebenare soto in December of elections, January, February, March, April, pam. Ite na si mo kimo within 4 months mo wili kimo fula be yeman e male de dame e be ebula woman normal sai to le along yo kimo na lo bon dame sai to le along fana be gambe na convince nyami kanyin tambe nyim place wala sai ito fe ni nyin ganyare jang ela nyi pipi ngo ganyada e si fini lo baro kan sai ka fa yisulo hay imaje you know sai lo gambe no loftelele ha lo tatam subaytul bela suturoni la everything be jikere menna dol munu fale bayla dol essentiel wa fila ni kala bol ko tekel ni folde say wala kere je ko tekel basal ni folde ajel hande gomes no sifalte man ko wol hani se bu mota kara fere ma understand you know people like Sidin Janjol hani you know adudum van you know VDC chairman of mota kelade so these are and they know it will be like capacity to learn along mobe you know if only fall long ni manga kami this is real. You understand? So this is the only time they can get this kind of privileges. So they will do everything to protect it. So they will do anything they can. I'm convinced that look, yeah, you know, yeah, my side more left teller. Pour you force, you three, you tata when force. But push that to the limit because world model of the understand will not take tankuna. Will be adama push la for down be kala dame. Because there's no other alternative. Abandon. Nyinda malanda. Maybe you got doctor was muru weta janatun ba. Doctor was muru weta YouTube weta arabara baje. But the model be so this is it. Allow me case it in your allow me case it the all those small boys. Ibrahim do. One fellow. You know? So this is it. Well before baro honey gele because of one no. Sako taxi, sako trip, sako mu. Yeah, I don't even Prado. So this is their last hurrah. Filamo M, Filamo Jeher. So it will number of for down. So most of them don't understand. So Emodo ya burga, don't blame him. Ita fanela ku correct. Ajila find ways to talk to people. Mol kalamutandi. Kila federal lankena mani mol ka mol nyaayelandi. Pour mol kana chance ta ko on these people. Moye boje ye kaydo kadre fay kaydo kono ye mol balale. Ngana banko ta ngada da ngana banko si anyama nga kuryal fajang mene ka fiya mola kodola ni ye janjum mine mola kodo do ya ngabe nga ko jangi nga lokoti nga bondi si men bonno mine ma bo bantala nga de no mo bantala nga lokoti nga ko nga bondi nga mola kodo si anyama nga luwal landi nga ferol landi comme nga men ka birka mere kan su be birka mere kan su for la demanding bari fon board men kera je amanke magic. It's not magic, it's not coming akira by miracle. Moyena ajang esita ila force taro mansakunda ila force coming into office yatra julo mi la council almost $10 million julo ajala hani salary bika jono jawel hangi ja wala ka al full loan la sometime pour aller ala salary fond jono ñing ak ñu jutune akona ni yabate yena within 1 year 6 months it will council turn around yo julol be jo ya kantul be reparende yere resolution will pass almost 17 different resolutions to make sure council financial they are all under you know understand controls mota sign kasika chekol safeka molla ko dol pesi pasal nga bundal be suki nga bunda jama abe ba suki na nga bunda jama suki to make sure ajala for sign ndoka si this year for last year almost $100 and something million spent on equipment can invest on the people within 1 year. Sorry guys, I was having a call. So you know So what that tells you, nothing is magical. It's something you really have to, believe in yourself and then have a deliberate effort. Yankuba could have, Chairman Yankuba could have just come. I thought I know system of afane continue. Afane boy, you never jang, Jonganyol kai, Jambetane, yes, I'm a fee nila mel, ningele dohe, hamba, okay, Mfanganarek, a system of continue. Wallahi, he could have done it. Until be right now, we would have been driving nice cars and could have everywhere. Ninko Tafi, Jonga, Kudo Kenyan, Fanketankai, Kudo. It would have been easily done like that. But there was a deliberate effort. Yankuba came, said, I'm going to change the system. Is it going to be easy? No. Police style kera jele, RSO kera jele, Tingi Tanko kera jele, Girijaro kera jele, Nyomuto kera jele. Yes. Hey, Anta. How about you? I miss you. How's Charlotte? Nala, exactly. So when he came, like wala nanko, adama be tawka molale. Because the same opportunity that Yankuba had in the Camera Council, yes, it's a local government, yes. Adama had the same opportunity to reset, to set things straight. You are 50-something years old. You are an adult. You know right from wrong. Yankuba Farang, 40-something years old. Every human being likes some money. But then, when he came, the opportunity was there to just fall along. Any Jonga Jala million pasar, Kuru Karab, and then West Coast will remain as it is. But he came with a broom. Same day, we passed almost 17 different resolutions that first council meeting put checks and balances on things. Because every check that has to leave the council, $50,000 or more, Yankuba will have to sign it. Chairman will have to sign it before it leaves, before the check is endorsed. Immediately we do that, council's revenue start just ballooning. And then obviously you don't sleep on these things. Because so obviously they find another loophole. But in $50,000 is what I'm from the threshold. Anything over $50,000 for Yankuba Saje. Sign, they start going on the ground. So what they'll do is they will start making payments of 35,000, 40,000, 49,000, 45,000 to fall on the threshold of the 50,000. So Kamol Nyaku. Again, you don't sleep. You pass these things, you make sure you're on top of things. So once you internalize that issue, come here, for that I swear by blah blah blah. The calendar. You really mean it. Then what I'm like Njita ko rek ngap ko nga fa ñame rek ye bandi la star ko ne ka kuleke ka chekol ngaje saying ko ko withdraw gal ko withdraw dame pim pam pam ngaje rek okay, you know what, Yankuba was very smart. We convene another council meeting again, and then we pass another resolution to say now every butut for Dar es Salaam Bank to Dar es Salaam Bank nara chekolam member sign la habitat la for payment from the Camera Council. Yankuba has to endorse fasaje I approve immediately bro kachaband. That's why within 1 year, 6 months, we were able to just last year alone, to spend $101 million on capital equipment, tractors, compactor trucks, excavators, pickup all, 101 million. We gave away 300 scholarships. This year, we are doubling that number. Then we gave $14 million to each ward, to all ward councillors, 28 ward councillors. You understand? It's all within 1 year, 6 months. After inheriting a council that was basically bankrupt. You manke magic. I manke kun komi like bole confund. No, it's because mole wulta atrocity curiosity ako mbening kelo janna mbe kuriya kelo. So nkanyene fo ko Gambia ni nyim falo kita ngana nyo nene Be wulale ngani kuruya nga kele. Yankuba kele nyamin go local government side as kele no nyama central government side. Albe koroje la kodo ka fitina sare karobela. Alta understand fa. Kodo be jana nyimen go kodo ja wallahi mari ne bakele. Nyimen ko brigade american su sangi saba commande ko brigade american su be selele ka dala si million kemen bonni ka fo bagaso ba fa lay nyama dal. Moy mu kala salaire fo jono o simira bagasan 100 million go spend ka 14 million dollars di ila work council la kanu la 300 scholarship di kanu la I don't know how many million spend 30 something boreholes. Marcel almost 7-8 Marcel in 1 year 6 months. New for 3 years ago babale ma nya matala ha ko tije ko do bijela be janko banara ya mera non ko e kami ka push ni nga ngara UN ha ngara IMF ngara ni World Bank la ni fonko la ni project World Bank ngede IMF project e nakasa EU project ko ni folde e ka push wol non ko yani de manda depo la EU kan ko do be jan so benyum bondi la benyum lokoti la nga bondi mul nga ko do min ya ke jang kerol min ya ke jang nga yofosina ha e ka dum dingo mi kan nge suki ha wala ket wala bihin si sino nga ni keno so say next year fana mbe another spending kala ko tanke na silo fanda da tesito ko bana Nana Johnson kana fo council la bundara ngo fana da tesito project imbe keta 1 year 6 months ko no police nga mo keme fula 260 something people ngole ta do ko la o keme fula tawara nen fe isi anyi kota do ko la yana ko te jonol sanji fula ko monto nyimme ko brigame council le kam be silale kam mo keme fula ta do ko isa fa ko e man kende again mo le man ko ritije ko do bije mulbe siraka so al sa understand ko nyine kilo be kere ko do be janne fo mo si tewasiti ya kele mini ba sira kan yiba iba fexa mo la ko do la ke do luwato ke bondi la palasol to ka mol ke je men ko si banko tamani no nyina kelote ni men ko ha ñu kuma man dia yalla ni banko ñu la bi ga fata bi ga ndela haji tawto ha mere be lo kan karte fel wasi dia mo nyama nte ba fala na ñine bi je ñim banko fas dada tilimbale asem war exemple ji yo social security iko kata moto sang so gambe GTS wala koy man so la moto la yesa ni moto la sa njuro sida albinyo penti bandana ika fo GTS ya jo ni GTS ka fo ko ndol man ta so la moto e fo la julo heta masakunda enen tare busa denta ali mo la kudul be ko na ma sita gambe di mo len de be sinde mo nya ko na jibela so they think nin change that we're going to sit and watch them like this. No. Everything, we have to have a talk. How did you come up to this kind of blunders? What really happened? What compelled you to come to this conclusion? You made an approach for GTSC to buy these buses. They said we don't need it. The parent company of GTSC said we don't need the buses. Yes, yet you still impose these buses on them. They said we can only give it as a loan. You took the loan as the government. Now it's time to pay the loan and you're telling them to go back to where? GTSC, probably a loan. When GTSC, 110%, they don't have no capacity to pay no 9.8 million euro loan. $130-something million dollars a year. That's unsustainable. But it shouldn't happen in the first place. Tariq Musa shouldn't strong arm us or use whatever maneuvering he has to do to get that contract. And Anindumala compete. Who were the competitors for that contract? Nobody knows. That should be public knowledge. We should know, okay, this company offered this to buy blah, blah, blah. This other company offered it. And then Tariq Musa won. But it never happened. It was single sourced as far as I know. Why is he that powerful? This is a guy that the Commissioner of Inquiry banned from operating in this country. His passport, diplomatic passport revoked. Shouldn't even Tariq Manyanatala even close to State House. But this is the Gambia we live in now. This is the Adam Barrow government. This is what he's sitting on. And we all need to endeavor to make sure this doesn't go past 2026. Because simply, the fact remains, our country, I don't believe our country can sustain this for another 5 years. I really don't. We are heading to a point of no return, and basically becoming a failed state financially and on all fronts. Basically, the collapse of a system is looming because these kind of losses to Social Security, 9 point something. Because I don't believe this amount is going to get paid. I really don't. Social Security cannot pay it. GTSC cannot pay it. Social Security is the one that gave the loan, so they cannot pay their own loan. Government is running away from the responsibility. So it looks like it's a loss. But how many losses can these pensioners take? How many losses? At $670 something million. How many more losses can these pensioners keep taking? Keep living on what? $900, $1,000 pensions after working their whole lives and retiring at the age of 60 or 60, whatever you call it. So these are matters that really, basically it has no boundaries. These spread across all spectrums. It doesn't know who you are. These pensioners are everybody. These pensioners are all of us. The pensioner, they don't know whether you are UDP or not. Or you are from Fonyi or you are from Jara. No. At the end of the month, go to Banjul. If you find them there, they are from everywhere. They're from Salem, they're from Baribu, they're from Fonyi, everywhere. Coming to pick up that small check. Like I said, I know these things. Sorry, I have a call. They used to come to my father all the time to come and collect their pension checks. And like I said, believe me, most of the time, when they come, on top of when they collect their pensions, we have to give them money to have a fare to go back home. So this is a situation of, and that same country, the institution that is responsible for taking care of these pensioners is now taking loans of 909 million plus euros, giving it to the government. The government refusing to pay. The very government that's supposed to be taking care of these old people, these pensioners. And this same Social Security again, under Yahya Jammeh, took out a loan of $1 billion, dollars, according to the Janet Commission, for Yahya Jammeh to go build Canal Live with it. So how many more of these billions are these pensioners going to take? See, this is, and those pensioners are every Gambian, irrespective of political affiliation or ethnic background. So this is not politics. This is not come vote for UDP. No, this is about us coming together and fixing the problem. Endemic corruption, backdoor deals, kickbacks. That's the only way you can explain this. Who is Tariq Musa? Who is Tariq Musa to force us to buy buses? Buses that we clearly don't need. A written letter from Social Security telling you that we don't need these buses. Finito. There's really nothing to add to that. Why force it? Why? That's the question that we'll ask after Barrow. Right now, we can talk about Barrow's not going to listen to us. He can act like he doesn't care. Fine. The day that he loses that pen, that executive authority, on that midnight, over. That's when we're going to sit down and talk about this. And it's going to come. But we have to make sure it happens. This is us. We are the ones that's going to ensure that accountability happens. These people sit down and explain to us what compelled you to buy these buses for $673 million when our pensioners are here struggling. what benefit does it have that investment has that for our poor pensioners? With Megabank also, we rescued this bank in 2014 when it was Keystone Bank with $900 and something million of liquid cash, taxpayers' money, to save the bank from collapse, because central bank thought in 2014 if that bank collapsed, the public will lose confidence in the banking system and there will be a runoff. People will go to every bank they have and then pull out all their money because they don't have confidence in the system. Central bank ensured that didn't happen, and we saved the bank. Today, the bank is sold to a Congolese business group. We don't know who they are. We don't know their names. Under total darkness. When our tax money was used to get this bank, to bring this bank to life. So it's a total disrespect and disregard for the Gambians and an insult to our intelligence. Because we thought this bank would have been pumped up, okay, and all government parastatals basically banking with this bank, from GMPC to Gam Petroleum to NAWEC, everybody goes through this bank, so their capital flow is high enough to a point that we can even create a branch from this mega bank and call it the Agricultural Development Bank. Because we keep talking about agriculture. You cannot do agriculture without money. You cannot do agriculture without good short-term loans, payable with better interest. So our farmers can come, take loans, go get their groundnut. After selling the groundnut, pay it back. You know, we have no facility for them. This was the vision that I have for Megabank. And this the vision that I think every sound patriot who really believes in Gambia should have had for Megabank, but not to sell it. Especially a bank that was not under financial distress. There was no signs, public signs that we know of, that the bank was struggling. It needed rescue. So why sell it? So now you sold it to your people, your friends. We don't know who they are. Now all of a sudden we see you giving loans of $600 million to your nephew. The bank giving those kind of huge loans to your nephew is very, it begs questions. Yeah, it's just really too coincidental. Yeah, soon as you sold the bank to your friends, who I don't know who they are, now they're giving loans. $600 million is not a small money. So this is the situation we are in right now, and that's why I wanted to come have a word, have a quick discussion, and and everybody lives here with at least something to digest on, to think about. So when it's time for decision making, they'll come up with all kinds of foolish stories, tribalism, this is Maninga, this blah, 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 just to, like bamboozle you and take you away from, the real issues, distract you. That's always been their plot, because they never want us to have these conversations. These are the conversations they want us to just be on foolishness. This is from Jara, this is from blah, 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 this is Maninka, Fula, people don't like this, blah, blah, Sarahule. This is what they want. They'll come and poke Hussein Udabo, Hussein will say something, and they will go on the spot and say, Hussein doesn't like you, all lies. Because these are the real issues they don't want to talk about. Bread and butter issues that are going to affect every one of us, whether you like it or not, irrespective of where you belong. These are going to affect you, whether you like it or not. From that central bank, mega bank issue, to this saga, this current deadlock with the government, between the government and GTSC. So let's just let's be smart. Let's elevate our discussion. Let's get away from these the distractions and refuse to be dragged into the mud, and be able to identify why we are poor, the reasons why we are poor, the decisions that our leaders have been taking for the past whatever decades that are keeping us poor, and find a way to solve them. I gave you the examples of Brikambere Council. We were in the same kind of predicament when we came in 2023 June. Came and found empty coffers, $9 million is in debt, taking loans from people like Jar Oil to give us salary, to pay our salaries, in a desperate disrespectful situation. Within 1 year, turn everything around, and now never. Actually, this year's budget, it was running on a surplus. We had about $5 million in surplus budget. Within 1 year, 6 months. This is not magic. This is doable. But you have to be ready to fight for it. You have to know where the problem lies, have the balls, have the cahoots, have the strength, and have the willingness to fight. So I keep using that example because it's a remarkable example. Just 1 year, 6 months ago, you were struggling to pay salaries. Now you are here giving scholarships of, last year we gave about, 300 scholarships, about $4 million worth. This year we are increasing that to $8 million of scholarship. Last year we gave $14 million to each ward, to all ward councillors, 28 ward councillors, $500,000 each to bring development to their their wards. $14 million worth. This year we are increasing that to $28 million, meaning $1 million to each ward councillor. Increasing our health spending in health from about $1 million to almost $5 million in health and sponsorship for like surgeries and things like that. Where did the money come from? We also, last year we spent $101 million in capital equipment. 1 year, 6 months ago, you were begging loans from Jar Oil. Where did the money come from? Is it magic? No. We have to control. We have to find where the problem is, cut it off. The people who are doing it, get them out. Yes, that's what we did. You all heard it. Some refused to go. Some fought. Tooth and nail, they're not going to go, blah, blah, blah. But eventually they left. Now we're here. Just thriving. Getting better and better, investing in the people more and more every year, investing more and more in the people. So this is doable. It's replicable. It could be done at the central government level. We just need to open our eyes, take the veils off, clean our hearts, and take all this tribal blah blah, this nonsense they try to fill you with to distract you, to take you away from the truth, take you away from the message, and make you think that this is about who you are, who is that person, no? Once you get out of our way, wallahi, we'll face this country. We'll face our problems head on and know where the problem lies and fight it collectively. Whoever it might be that's standing in our way has to go. Whether you are Mandinka, you all of you are, it doesn't matter. Those people at Brigade Medical Council, they were all tribes. Yep. We found them, we get them out. You put new systems in place, new controls in place. Now we are thriving. That's how it works. So, folks, I think it's about time I take a leave now. It's been a pleasure having you guys. I did most of my thing in Maninka, and then the last part I did in English. For other listeners that joined, I think I kind of helped summarize why I'm here. And all of us got a good piece of the reason why I came alive. Hopefully, this will enhance our discussions, and we'll focus on things that matter. That's going to help all of us. So when it's time for elections, we can all make sound decisions, and not succumb to the dark forces of tribalism and all this nonsense. All aim at distracting you. These are the conversations they don't want the majority of Gambians to have. Once a greater majority, greater mass of the people start talking this language, it's over. Nope. Then Sinja can come and tell you, oh, you Bakaw people, the fullest, they're going to take you to Guinea. All lies. Nobody's going to take anybody to anywhere. Nobody's going to take anybody to Senegal. Zero. They know it's a lie. They know they're lying, and in their heart, they know they're lying. But they don't want you, they want to fill you with fear. Once you have fear, the ration just leaves your brain. You cannot think rational again. Once you induce somebody with fear and, like panic, then all ration is out of the window. And they don't want you to think rationally. No. They don't want you to think analytically. They don't want you to think rationally. They want you to think with fear and hatred for the other. So I hope we all take something from this, and we'll, come back another time if I have something to talk about. Okay? Thank you.